derivation of displacement function u and shape function n for one-dimensional linear bar element based on global coordinate approach. So this is the derivation today we are going to solve. So for this solvation of this derivation, I consider a bar element. So it is a one-dimensional element, that's why I indicate it is showing in one direction, that is x. So it having two nodes 1 and 2. The length of the bar is equal to L. So initially x is equal to 0, the displacement node at u1, x equal to L, the displacement u is equal to u2. So in one-dimensional bar, each node having 1 degree of freedom. So degree of freedom means that nodal displacements. So u is equal to u1, u equal to u2 are the nodal displacement at corresponding nodes. So for total degree of freedom of these total element becomes summation of individual degree of freedom at nodes. So in this problem, every node having 1 degree of freedom. So node 1 is 1 degree of freedom, node 2 is at another degree of freedom. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So each node consider as 1 degree of freedom. So total 2 nodes, total degree of freedom equal to 2. So based on this degree of freedom, we are going to consider a polynomial function. So since the element has got 2 degree of freedom, it will have 2 generalized coordinates in polynomial function. So we chosen 2 general coordinates that are a0 and a1. So our polynomial function u is equal to a0 plus a1x. So this is, I am assuming that this is my first equation. So where a0 and a1 are global or generalized coordinates. So I am writing equation 1 in the form of matrix. So your equation 1 is u is equal to a0 plus a1x. So u is equal to, here a0 coefficient is 1, a1 coefficient is x. So a0 and a1. So at node 1, the boundary conditions x is equal to 0, u is equal to u1. At node 2, x is equal to L, u is equal to u2. So let us substitute these values in equation 1. First node 1 I am substituting for polynomial values in equation 1. So u becomes u1, x I substitute x is equal to 0. This entire term become as a, so I am substituting that values in the first equation. X is equal to 0, u is equal to u1. So u is equal to u1 a0 plus a1 into 0. So that becomes u is equal to a0. So 0 into anything, it's become 0. So u1 is equal to a0. I am assuming this is as a equation 3. Similarly, I substitute node 2 values in equation 1. So u is equal to a0 plus a1 L. That is our fourth equation. So this equation 3 and 4 I am writing in the form of matrix. u1, u2, a0 coefficient is 1, a1 coefficient is not there in the third equation, that's why I kept 0. Here in the fourth equation, a0 coefficient is 1, a1 coefficient is L. So a0, a1. So in this equation matrix, u1, u2 called u star matrix, and 1 0 1 L is C matrix, a0 a1 is the A matrix, where u0 is equal to degree of freedom matrix, C is connectivity matrix, A is global coordinate matrix. So in this matrix I want to know a0 and a1 value. So a0 a1 is equal to, this matrix term will taking to this side. So 1 0 1 L whole to the power of -1 u1 u2. Then how to find out this value? By using this formula, we are going to calculate the value of this one. So a11, a12, a21, 22 are the words in the matrix. So formula is 1 by a11 into a22 minus of a12 into a21. So A22, A12 minus A21 minus A11. So this is the formula we are going to use for calculating the value of 101 whole to the power of minus 1. So by use and calculate the value of this one. So I will get the value of 101L whole to minus 1 is equal to 1 by L, L0 minus 1, 1. So I substitute this into the equation. A0 A1 is equal to 1 by L, L0 minus 1, 1, U1 U2. So I am substituting equation 5 in equation 2. What is that equation 2 means? U is equal to, we have equation 1x A0 A1. This is the equation 2. So the equation 5 as going to substitute into equation 2 will get U is equal to 1x 1 by L, L0 minus 1, 1, U1 U2. So now I am multiplying this value, this matrix and this matrix. This size of matrix is 1 by 2, this size of matrix is 2 by 2. So n, these two are equal, so we are able to do multiplication. So from that 1 into 1 into L x into minus 1, so L minus x. 1 into 0 x into 1 plus x, U1 U2. So I sending L value to the into the matrix. L minus x by L is x by L, U1 U2. We know that U is equal to N1 U1 plus N2 U2. So we written the form of matrix N1 N2 U1 U2. So by comparing this 7th equation with the 6th equation, N1 is equal to L minus x by L, N2 is equal to x by L. So like that we are going to calculate the shape function values of the 1 bar element by using global coordinate system. Thank you.